Yo, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something super exciting and absolutely essential for all you adventure seekers out there. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or someone who's just caught the travel bug, this video is for you. We're going to break down everything you need to know about packing for one of the most breathtaking destinations on Earth, Iceland. Iceland, often referred to as the land of fire and ice, is a place of stark contrasts and stunning beauty. From its majestic glaciers and powerful geysers to its active volcanoes and serene hot springs, Iceland offers a unique travel experience that you won't find anywhere else. But to truly enjoy all that this incredible country has to offer, you need to be well prepared. We're talking about the essential gear, the must-haves, the things you absolutely cannot forget if you want to stay warm, dry and ready to capture every mind-blowing moment. From thermal layers and waterproof jackets to sturdy hiking boots and high-quality camera equipment, we've got you covered. We'll also share some insider tips on how to pack efficiently and what to leave behind. So, before we dive into the nitty-gritty of packing, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future travel tips and guides. Trust me, you don't want to be caught in the Icelandic wilderness unprepared. Stay tuned because we're about to embark on an unforgettable adventure together. All right, let's talk layers. When it comes to staying warm in cold climates, layering is your best friend. It's not just about piling on clothes, it's about strategically choosing the right pieces to keep you warm and comfortable. First things first, Iceland's weather is notoriously unpredictable. You might wake up to a sunny morning only to find yourself in the middle of a snowstorm by afternoon. The key to staying comfortable is being prepared for anything. Think sunshine one minute, blizzard the next. This kind of weather calls for a flexible wardrobe that can adapt to sudden changes. That's where layering comes in handy. That's why starting with a solid base layer is key. We're talking thermal underwear, long-sleeve shirts, and moisture-wicking fabrics. These pieces are designed to keep you dry and warm by trapping body heat while allowing sweat to escape. And those fleece pants your grandma loves? They're not just for lounging around the house. Fleece is an excellent insulator, providing warmth without adding bulk. Perfect for layering under your outerwear. Trust me, you'll thank me later. When the wind is howling and the temperature drops, you'll be glad you took the time to layer up properly. Next up, pack those cozy sweaters. Opt for materials like wool or cashmere, which are known for their insulating properties. These sweaters are not only warm, but also breathable, making them ideal for layering, the ones you can practically live in. Whether you're exploring the great outdoors or just relaxing indoors, a good sweater can make all the difference in your comfort level. And to top it all off, a high-quality winter jacket is non-negotiable. This is your first line of defense against the elements. Look for jackets with features like adjustable hoods, multiple pockets, and reinforced seams for added durability. Look for something windproof, waterproof, and insulated for maximum warmth. These features will ensure that you stay dry and warm no matter what Mother Nature throws your way. Remember, the right clothing can make or break your experience in cold weather, so choose wisely and layer up. Okay, serious talk. When you're planning a trip to Iceland, one of the most crucial items you need to pack is an insulated jacket. This isn't just about looking good in your travel photos. An insulated jacket isn't just a fashion statement in Iceland, it's a necessity. The weather here can be incredibly unpredictable, with sudden shifts from calm to stormy in a matter of minutes. It's your suit of armor against the elements. Imagine hiking through a snowy trail or standing on a windy cliffside. Without the right gear, it can be a miserable experience. We're talking about those jackets packed with down or synthetic insulation designed to trap heat and keep you warm even in the harshest conditions. Down insulation is lightweight and highly effective, but synthetic insulation can be a better choice if you expect wet conditions, the ones that make you feel like you're wrapped in a warm hug. It's not just about staying warm, it's about feeling comfortable and secure, no matter what the weather throws at you. Remember those crazy weather swings I mentioned? One moment it's sunny, and the next you're caught in a snowstorm. An insulated jacket helps you adapt to these rapid changes, keeping you warm and dry. Yeah, this jacket is your best defense against them. Whether you're exploring glaciers, hiking mountains, or just strolling through Reykjavik, a good insulated jacket is indispensable. Don't skimp on this one. Invest in a good quality jacket that will keep you warm and comfortable no matter what Mother Nature throws your way. Look for features like adjustable hoods, waterproof zippers, and durable outer shells. These details can make a big difference in your comfort and protection. Also, consider layering. An insulated jacket works best when paired with a good base layer and a waterproof outer layer. This combination will keep you warm, dry, and ready for any adventure. So when you're packing for Iceland, make sure an insulated jacket is at the top of your list. It's more than just a piece of clothing. It's your key to enjoying everything this beautiful, wild country has to offer. Iceland is known for its stunning waterfalls, glaciers, and rain. Lots of rain. That's why packing waterproof gear is essential. We're talking a waterproof jacket and pants, the kind that will keep you dry even in a downpour. Trust me, there's nothing worse than being soaked to the bone while trying to enjoy the scenery. And don't forget about your feet. Waterproof hiking boots are a must-have for exploring Iceland's rugged terrain. Speaking of footwear, let's talk about those hiking boots. Iceland's landscape is a mix of volcanic rock, glaciers, and everything in between. You're going to need footwear that can handle it all. Look for boots with good ankle support, waterproof membranes, and grippy soles. And don't forget to break them in before your trip. Blisters are not your friend, especially when you're trying to hike to that epic waterfall. Remember those unpredictable weather swings? Layering is the key to staying comfortable no matter what the Icelandic weather throws at you. Start with a base layer, add a sweater or fleece, and top it off with your waterproof jacket. As the weather changes, you can easily add or remove layers to regulate your temperature. It's like having a portable climate control system for your body. Nobody wants to lug around a suitcase full of full-size toiletries. That's where travel-sized everything comes in. Pack your essentials: shampoo, conditioner, soap, toothpaste in those TSA-approved containers. Not only will it save space in your luggage, but it'll also make getting through airport security a breeze. And hey, if you forget something, you can always grab it in Reykjavik. Iceland's landscapes are straight out of a fairy tale. You're going to want a good camera to capture every breathtaking moment. Whether you're a professional photographer or just love snapping pics on your phone, make sure your camera gear is charged and ready to go. And oh, don't forget extra batteries and memory cards. You'll be surprised how many photos you'll take. From navigating with Google Maps to sharing your epic Iceland pics on Instagram, your phone is your lifeline on the road. But all that use can drain your battery faster than you can say "Geysir." That's where a portable charger comes in. Keep your devices powered up and ready to go no matter how far off the beaten path you wander. Iceland is an expensive country, like really expensive. Packing snacks is a great way to save money and avoid those hunger pangs between meals. Trail mix, granola bars, fruit, whatever you like to snack on, throw it in your bag. You'll be glad you did when you're hiking through the wilderness and need a quick energy boost. All right, last but not least, let's talk about the essentials. Your travel documents. Make sure your passport is up to date and you have all the necessary visas. Print out copies of your flight itinerary, hotel reservations, and travel insurance. And don't forget your sense of adventure. That's it. You're all packed and ready for the adventure of a lifetime in Iceland. Remember to stay flexible, embrace the unexpected, and most importantly, have fun. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more travel tips and inspiration. Until next time, safe travels and enjoy the land of fire and ice.